Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how I can enable this ultimate performance mode on Windows 10. So in order to enable the Windows performance mode, the first thing you need to do is make sure you're on the latest version of Windows. And you can do this by clicking on the Windows button and R. And then you just want to go ahead and type in WinVER and click on OK. It's going to bring up this box here, and you just want to make sure that you're on Windows version 1809 or later for this to work. So now we know we're on the correct version of Windows. What we want to do now is go ahead and right click on the Windows icon in the bottom left hand corner and click on command prompt and run it as admin. If yours says PowerShell, click on that instead. So once the command prompt or PowerShell is opened up, you want to go ahead and copy and paste this code, I'll leave it in the description, into the command prompt, then you want to go ahead and press enter. Now it should look something like this, and it's basically saying that your ultimate power mode has been enabled. So we can go ahead and remove the command prompt or PowerShell. And then if you go ahead and navigate to the control panel, and you can do this multiple ways. I like to do it through the run command because my start menu isn't working correctly at the moment. Go ahead and click on hardware and sound, and here you should see another tab where it says ultimate performance mode. Now I've run this command a couple of times, that's why it's come up like this, so make sure you only do it once, but when you do it just click on the ultimate performance mode and it will activate it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching and have a good day.